Okay, this week's 2-minute tongue twister challenge is using the letter R, which is why I'm next to the rocket and the rake in our garden. So the tongue twister is, Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. So the R sound we make with our lips pushed forward and our tongue back. Your lips make kind of a circle. Imagine you're going to kiss someone and then open your lips a little bit. So, So our R words, Rory's, rake, rarely, rakes, really, right. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Now you try. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Rory's lawn rake rarely rakes really right. Thanks for watching and for trying this week's tongue twister challenge. Remember, you can go to Jill's English pronunciation gym anytime to practice your pronunciation with tongue twisters, limericks and more. And just 2 minutes every day will help to improve your English pronunciation and your listening. Thanks for watching. Bye.